Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I am Stephanie and I am an eBay reseller and have been doing it for many years. I sell women's clothing and accessories, many of them designers, but mostly high-end, and then some other things. But this channel has been different things since I started, but mostly I do unboxings. And today I'm doing an unboxing of a new box I have never tried before, so I'm super excited about it. It is a shoe box, which I've done shoe boxes, but this is a shoe box with just shoes in my own size. So you get 5 pairs of shoes, and you get 5 pairs of shoes in your size. I wear size 8, and then yeah, you don't know what you'll get. It could be tennis shoes, heels, you don't know, but it's your own size. You get to choose your size. And the cost was, I think, $44, so it's about $6 per pair of shoes. And so I don't know if this will be worth it or not. I'm very curious to find out. I'm pretty excited. I love trying new boxes. But first I wanted to show you my outfit, and I wanted to show you the necklace. This is that necklace I opened in my last box that I got from Stacy. From Stacy at My Love of Jewelry. And I'm wearing it with this t-shirt that I got from Anthropologie. And then this jacket, which several years ago I got this from Anthropologie and I didn't wear it very often. And I decided to kind of bling it up. So I got these iron-ons. I created those images using AI. And then I had them printed, and then I ironed it on here, and I got this patch and put it on here. And I don't think there's anything on that sleeve, but there's a butterfly there, and a vintage pin here. And then this pinned on, and then another vintage pin, and then this cute Harry Potter pin that I got. So, and then another Harry Potter pin that I got. So anyway, that is what I have on today. My sister liked my jacket so much that I ordered her. I'm going to make one for her too, and then we're going to be twinsies. So anyway, that is what I'm wearing today. I love this necklace. It's my favorite. It's my current favorite necklace. So I try and find more things to wear with it. Okay, here is the 5-piece shoe box. It's super heavy. It comes in this smaller box, but it is definitely a heavy box. So I'm excited. Let's see what I got here in this box. Okay, let's see. I'm kind of excited because in Minnesota it's getting cool enough, warm enough actually, now that you can wear a coat like this rather than a big winter coat. So that is exciting. Okay, here we go. ThredUp 5-piece shoe box. Okay. Okay. I swear, right as soon as you open something, you can have a fairly good idea whether you're going to like it or not. I don't know. I guess I'm going to have to go ahead and say we'll see. All right. So the first pair of shoes is this pair of pink penny loafers by Talbot's. And they're leather. They're really soft leather. You know, Talbot's, I think, sometimes gets a bum rap. Talbot's makes good products. Well, actually, this necklace is Talbot's. It looks like J. Crew, but it's not. But anyway, here are these. Oh, they're driving moccasins. They've got that kind of back on them. So, by the way, if I'm interested in keeping any of these, I'll let you know. But otherwise, they will be for sale. So, they're all a size 8. I'm going to make sure that they're made in Brazil. They're leather upper, pink. You can kind of see there's the sole. Yeah, so they're driving moccasins, and they're really, really cute. I don't wear this style of shoe myself. I used to, but I just kind of don't anymore. So that is shoe pair number 1. Next up is this. Oh, gosh. Okay, this is nice. Really nice. Wow. This pair of pink Skechers. They're brand new. Look at the tags are still on there. Are they brand new? They look like, yeah, they are brand new. Yeah, they are. I just can't believe wow. They're Skechers. They're pink. They're kind of like an ombre, like a more purplish in the back, and then they go to light pink in the front. And then here, I'm going to show you the tag, because Skechers stretch fit, a customized fit, designed with extra soft collar lining, machine washable, and then it says arch fit. Okay, that's what it says right there, arch support. I do need arch support, but I don't know about these shoes. I think I am going to be selling them. They are really cute. There's the arch fit. You can see the inside there. And then, yeah, they're a size 8. They're brand new. I bet they're expensive when you buy them new. So, or when you buy them at the store. So anyway, air-cooled Skechers, air-cooled arch fit. That is Those are great. I don't think I have one pair of shoes I like to wear when I go walking and things, and those are what are they called? Asics Onitsuka. Onitsuka, they're made in Japan, they're leather, and they have great arch support, and I love that. So anyway, so that is pair number 2. That is amazing. Not gonna wear them myself, but I think it's great, and someone will really love those. I'm gonna actually see if my mom wants to buy them, because my mom loves Skechers, and she loves the kind you can just slide on. You don't have to mess around with it. All right, here's another brand new pair of shoes, which is great, and that is these, like a green, army green, suede. They're real leather, real suede leather. I can't tell if it's brownish or greenish, but they're somewhere in that range. And they are espadrilles, and they have an ankle. They clip around the ankle, or they hook. What do you call it? The clasp around the ankle. So they are brand new. They're size 8, and here's the tag still on them. Wow, happy with that. Oh, there's a stain on the side. I don't know if that was built in, or if someone spilled on them, but you can tell by the bottom that they were never worn too. They're completely clean. So, all right, I'll take that. That's good. Next is, oh, all right. Okay. Next up is a pair of Michael Kors. Are they Michael by Michael Kors, or are they Michael Kors? I can't really tell. I think they're Michael by Michael Kors, and they're brown leather sandals. Look at that. They're great. Perfect for summer. I don't wear a lot. I would not wear them because I don't like this between your toe. I don't know why. I just don't. I'm not used to it. Maybe if I got used to it. Are they? Let's see. They're man-made. Yeah, they're Andrea is the style name, and they're size 8, and they are man-made materials, so they are not real leather. And then you can't tell there's anywhere from this. It looks on the bottom that there is somewhere. So they have some wear to them, but they're super, super cute. Look at those. You can adjust the strap here. See, there's a buckle right there. So yeah, these are really cute. All right, and there's one pair left. This is just going to be a really short video. There's one pair left, and I love it. I love it. It matches my coat that I'm wearing right now. I can't even believe it. And that is this pair of Rothy's. Look at that. Those are so cute. I don't know if Rothy's have enough arch support for me, but these are so cute. I don't know how, they haven't been worn much, if at all. Maybe someone just washed them before sending them in, because you can wash these in the wash machine. But these are great. There's hardly anywhere to the soles either, so I think someone will really love those. Wow. Green camo. Look at that. Goes right with my jacket. I can't even believe that. All right, so there's the camo frothy shoes. There's the Michael by Michael Kors sandals. There is the brand new Gap espadrilles with like a greenish brownish suede. There is the gorgeous Skechers Arch Fit, brand new. Love them. And then there is this pair of Talbot's driving loafers. So super happy with that box. Let me know, has anyone else gotten this box, and what did you get? Did you like your styles? I'm still thinking about the Rothy's. I'm going to try them on and see what I think. But for the most part, I think these are all going to be for sale. So if you wear a size 8, you're in luck. So, all right. So leave me a message at mystuffstyle@gmail.com if you're interested in purchasing. And I would love to get your thumbs up and subscribe if you like my content. And I will be doing more of these unboxings. I do Sunday night and Wednesday night, or sometimes I've been toying with the idea of doing afternoons on Sundays. So Sundays and Wednesdays are when I post content. So thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.